So we have imported the pandas SPT. Um, we have created a dictionary with the key value pairs here. Now let's create a data frame out of it. So that's how our data actually looks like. So now let's add another column in the data frame. You can actually easily create a column. You just have to specify a different name which is not there in the data frame, and let's just put the values in it. So we have 5 rows, that's why we're putting 5 values here. So we have the percentage for the growth column. Let's maybe change it to sample value. So I've changed the string value to numeric value. And that's how our dataset actually looks like. Now let's use the query to specify the conditions and get the data. So ID greater than equal to 3. As you can see, there are 3 rows corresponding to that. Let's specify equal to you. So that's how you retrieve the condition based on the string value. Because the year is an so it's of object data type. Now let's use the AND condition. So you can use AND and O condition in the query method. Now let's try to use the OR condition. So we say when ID is greater than equal to 3, or the year value is equal to 2016. So as you can see, when the year is 2016 and when the ID is greater than equal to 3, both of those rows are displayed.